So what is the most critical and well-known factor related to mood? We know that mood is closely related to brain plasticity. Plasticity means that the brain becomes more changeable and more adaptable because it has neurons growing more synapses and more dendrites and even more neurons. So synaptogenesis and spinogenesis are related directly to antidepressant effect. So how does plasticity explain such an effect? Carl Freestone has very interesting work about the Bayesian brain. Bayesian means that the brain predicts all the time what is happening in the environment and adapts to that. And a good adaptation makes us function well in the environment, and because of that, we reduce some kind of difference that exists between the brain adaptability and the changeable environment. So if the environment is always changing, and if the brain is plastic enough, then it can cope with that changeability. There is even a term called free energy, or it is like a delta, the difference between the ability of the brain to adapt and the environment to change. If this difference increases, like in stress or like in crisis, where some big change in the environment has to be adapted to by the brain, then this could have an emergent property of a depressive mood. If the free energy is reduced, if the brain is plastic enough, adaptable enough, then this free energy, the prediction is made better, and the free energy is reduced. And an emergent property, a property of a whole brain organization of that dynamics of reducing the free energy, could be the emergent property of antidepressant effect.